Hi, let us make a Thai microwave tuna cucumber rice bowl that turns the viral cucumber and tuna idea into a fresh, spicy, satisfying meal. It makes 2 servings and takes about 25 minutes, with fluffy jasmine rice, a bright lime fish sauce dressing, and a crunchy peanut finish. Let us walk through the ingredients, starting with 1 cup of jasmine rice. It gives the bowl a fragrant Thai base that soaks up the spicy lime dressing. 1 1/2 cups of water. Cook the rice in the microwave. This amount keeps the grains tender without making them mushy. 1 large English cucumber brings the viral crunch. Choose a firm cucumber so the slices stay crisp after they meet the warm dressing. 5 ounces of canned tuna in water, drained, make the bowl savory and protein-rich. Flake it gently so it mixes without turning pasty. 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice give the dressing its sharp Thai brightness. Fresh juice makes the whole bowl taste clean and lively. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce adds salty depth and unmistakable Thai character. A little goes a long way, so this amount keeps the balance bright. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar soften the lime and fish sauce. It rounds the dressing without making the bowl taste sweet. 1 tablespoon of Thai sweet chili sauce brings gentle heat, shine, and a little garlic sweetness. It helps the tuna and cucumber taste bold fast. 1 small shallot adds a sweet onion bite. Slicing it thinly lets it soften quickly in the warm dressing. 1 Thai chili gives the bowl a fresh spicy kick. Use the whole chili for heat, or remove the seeds if you want it milder. 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro finish the bowl with freshness. Add it at the end so the flavor stays bright. 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts add the crunchy finish. Crush them lightly so every bite gets a little nutty texture. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Rinse 1 cup of jasmine rice in the clear microwave-safe bowl, changing the water until it runs mostly clear, so the cooked rice turns out light and fluffy. Add 1 1/2 cups of water to the rinsed rice, then cover the bowl loosely with the vented glass lid. Leave a small opening so steam can escape safely. Microwave the covered rice on high power for 12 minutes. When the time is up, keep the microwave door closed and let the rice rest for 5 minutes so the steam finishes the cooking. Fluff all the cooked rice with the teak spoon, lifting from the edges toward the center. Keep it warm in the bowl while we build the cucumber and tuna topping. While the rice stays warm, slice 1 large English cucumber into thin half-moons. Thin slices catch more dressing and keep the viral cucumber crunch in every bite. Drain 5 ounces of canned tuna in water, then flake it gently with a spoon. Keep the pieces a little chunky so the bowl has a satisfying texture. Next, thinly slice 1 small shallot and 1 Thai chili, chop 2 tablespoons of cilantro, and lightly crush 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. Keeping them separate helps us add each flavor at the right moment. In the small microwave-safe bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of Thai sweet chili sauce. Microwave the dressing on high power for 30 seconds, then stir until the brown sugar dissolves completely. This quick heat wakes up the chili sauce and makes the dressing glossy. Stir the sliced shallot and 1 sliced Thai chili into the warm dressing, then let them sit for 1 minute. The heat softens the shallot and spreads the chili flavor through the sauce. Add the sliced cucumber and all 5 ounces of flaked tuna to the warm dressing. Fold gently for 30 seconds, just until the cucumber is coated and the tuna stays in soft flakes. Divide the warm jasmine rice between 2 plates, using about half of the cooked rice on each plate. Spread it into a low mound so the topping sits evenly. Spoon half of the tuna cucumber mixture over each mound of rice, making sure each plate gets cucumber, tuna, shallot, chili, and a little of the glossy dressing. Top each bowl with 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro and 1 tablespoon of crushed roasted peanuts. Let the bowl sit for 2 minutes so the warm rice catches the dressing, then serve. The recipe is ready to enjoy. And there it is, a fresh Thai microwave tuna cucumber rice bowl with crunchy cucumber, savory tuna, fluffy jasmine rice, and a bright spicy dressing. It delivers the quick viral cucumber and tuna idea as a real meal. Serve it right away, and if you enjoyed this recipe, like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more.